Hello everyone, this is Jason with Breaking Waves. Today we are going to be unboxing the Apple wired keyboard. Now the reason I bought this is because I am starting to run out of USBs. I basically had to switch between my digital camera reader, card reader, and my webcam to be able to have enough USBs. Well, basically I'm just switching them in and out. And as you can see, this keyboard does sport off 2 USBs on each side, so that should remedy my problem, as well as just the cool aesthetic of the Apple keyboard design that I do like. So that's why I bought it. You can get these now for $49.99 at either Best Buy with an Apple Store, or if you are fortunate enough to have an Apple Store nearby, you can get it there. And let's see what we have inside besides the keyboard. There it is. Seems a little bit larger than I remembered, but hey, it looks nice, works. The USB attachment and what looks to be a USB extension cable, as well as any documentation about the keyboard and the limited warranty. I plugged everything in and the keyboard was recognized right away. I didn't have to restart or anything. It actually just typed right away. And the first thing I did was checked one of the USB ports here, and as soon as I plugged it in, my Dynex card reader plugged in one of my digital cam cards, and as you can see, it pops right up. This keyboard works just the way it should, expanding on your USB ports, as well as giving you a nice slim profile. And of course all the dash buttons work, as you can see here. Sound, everything like that. Everything works fine. Yes, it is a little overpriced, but you know what? I love Apple stuff, so I'm willing to spend it. Anyways, thank you for watching. This is Breaking Waves Productions. Be sure to subscribe to see all our new videos as we release them. Have a nice day.